I'm bored. I wonder what I can do. Let me go my friend Daddy. Daddy? Watkins? What would you want? Daddy? I'm bored. I mean, really bored. You're bored? Well, there's nothing to do here. Can I go buy me a new toy? No, I cannot go buy you a new toy. I want a new toy, though. No. Why I want a new toy, Daddy? You better give me that new toy now, Daddy. Now. What's that new toy? No, I'm not giving you a new toy. It's just, I don't know what you do. I'm gonna go play something. Are you creative? You do that weird, you slap your tail on the ground like this and you make weird sounds. Just do it all day. What are you doing, Daddy? Just go find something to do. You're creative enough. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna find something to do. Oh, look, there's a dead person on the ground. I wonder. No, you're not gonna go get a dead person on the ground. Come get me. Gosh, she's probably speaking. Here's that dead person. Oh my gosh! Kids, where'd you find it? Kids, where'd you find it? Oh, Daddy, his butt is stinking dirty. It looks like he haven't wiped forever. Oh, that's great, kids. But where'd you find him? He's dead. I don't know. Who's disturbing my nap? We're trying to dinosaur! Kids, get away! It's a dinosaur! What a dinosaur! Hey, Mr. Dinosaur! Hey, stupid body! Hi, Mr. Dinosaur! How are you? Dude, I'm just gonna eat you. I don't want you to eat me! I'm gonna eat. Dude, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you, boy. Dude, I'm gonna eat you. Are you scared? What's eat mean? What the frick are you talking about? I don't know what the heck eat means. You don't know what eat means? You're really... I'm leaving. Where are you going? None of your business. Let me go find that Mario dude to beat him up. He beat me up, Blaster. I know Mario. He's my best friend. If he's your best friend, I'm gonna kill this. Dad, you stupid. Oh, your breath stinks like crap. Oh, I can't stand that stinky breath no more. I'm gonna go watch some TV. La 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 do 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 do. Whoa! The dinosaur! And a dead body back there. Oh, dude. I'll go find Mario. The dinosaur! What's up, bro? You haven't seen me for a long time. I hate you, Storm. Why do you have to be for a dinosaur so big? Dude, you're so crazy. You should know that I am a dinosaur. All dinosaurs are huge. Your breath stinks. Yeah, so that Ken's guy's breath stinks. And that's what survived him from me. Okay, sometimes I get a tongue twister. I don't really talk that much as a dinosaur. It's weird to get for a dinosaur to talk. That's why I'm sometimes saying tongue twisters. I never get tongue twisters. I know my lines already what I'm gonna say. I know all my lines what I'm gonna say. Just in my mouth, they come to my mouth, and then I know what to say. Okay, let's not talk about this right now, and let's get to the battle! Every time you have to do a battle, can I just go Get a break. Okay, you got your own break, Mario. Cause I'm coming back for to eat you. Okay. Pesky little bird. What the bird doing in our house anyway? Bird, you stupid bird! Get about me, bird! No, he's a stupid dinosaur, you stupid bird! You're the dinosaur's minion yet. A dinosaur? Geez, that bird can talk like a dinosaur. Yeah, I can talk alright. Oh, really? That's really old. That's really old, annoying my hairs. Okay, it looks like this day is gonna come from a dinosaur to the bird. So what you wanna do? Wait, are you really a good guy? Yeah, I'm a good guy. I'm really that part of that dinosaur. He's one of my minions. I'm not minion. He's one of my enemies. I don't like him. I'm always trying to stop. I can't. Ugh. Dinosaur. Is that our bird? I want your bird. Give me a bird. Kill the birdie. I'm so sorry, birdie. Kill a bird. Keep doing that. Oh my gosh. Just go now. Okay, fine. I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy. You okay, little bird? Yeah. Okay, so all I want to know is when we get you out of here, because this is not your natural home. And once we get out, I'm gonna probably take care of that dinosaur. I don't want living in my house. Come on. Oh, hey Marv, what doing? I'm just trying to take this bird now. A bird? Oh, it's a bird! Oh, no, God, dang on, bird! Birds eat mushrooms, which I'm like a mushroom mama goomba. Mushroom. Is that a mushroom? No, little birdie, no! Oh, it's on me! Stop it! You're really gonna make us all run! You stupid bird! Oh, bird! Oh, bird! Help me, Mario! For real! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me, please! Mario! Please help me! I need help! Super Mario Copter! I think I got lots of scratches on my back. Oh, Mario, I'm okay. You little birdie, come back here. Okay, I'm going bird business by now. Boo! Send in the great boo! Oh dang, is that a boo? I'm out here. I'm scared, boos. Okay, Boo, I really need you to catch a little bird here. That's what boos are perfectly for to catch. They go and catch birds. Gotcha. No. Okay, if this is really good. Oh, what are you doing? You're eating the bird. No. Okay, just eat him anyway. No. I don't want to make him Boo all mad anyway. I'm scared to see a Boo mad. No. Excuse me. Okay. Grandma, you ready, boy? I got my gun. Oh, I got my gun. Sorry, I gotta go get it. It's not a gun, it's more like an axe to kill you. It's what I did to that little wolf over there. He's dead. Stop it, little stupid dinosaur. That bird really would have done that. I think I have a big burp. What the heck is that? Is a ghost? Oh no! Why is the bird still here? Oh, stupid bird! At least the dinosaur's gone now. Okay, I'm gonna do some bird catching again. No. Did you just send the ghost for me to do that? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was one of my favoriteest videos there is. Can I get this straight? Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. When I first made my videos, I was really excited that I actually can be a YouTuber and on my YouTube channel. And like I had pretty much videos. Everybody likes my videos a lot. So this is gonna be it was kind of like a too long video I made. I usually do 6 or 7 minute videos. I'm doing this video a little bit longer because it was a little special. Because how my beginning of YouTube and my first beginning of YouTube, it's really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed these videos and keep subscribing and liking those videos. And I hope you have a good time. See ya. Just a minute.